Okay, real quickly now. We just got these Unisex Salomon X Mission 3. My girlfriend actually got it in a women's size 6. And it actually fits to size, I believe. So we're becoming really big fans of these Salomon outdoor shoes. We like the no laces action over here. You see that? Give you a full rotation of the shoe right now. This is really nice actually. Take the other one out. Let you folks have a moment of looking at it. You see, no laces. You can tie it by pulling it, just like the snowboard boots. Let's see how light these bad boys are. Nine ounces. Still very, very light. These are actually really good with this grip over here. Look at this contour grip. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more unboxing items.